from the Idoma, the Igala to the Ogoni, the Ijo to Ireland, Oron to the Ekit, the Ikwere to the Igbo, and all Biafrans. Mark your calendar. A historic moment is upon us. On Friday, May 30th, 2025, the United States of Biafra government proudly invites you, all citizens and allies of Biafra, to a 3-in-1 event to mark the Memorial Day of our heroes and heroines at the first ever Biafra Peace Summit at the inauguration of our DC administrative office, a beacon of hope, strength, and unity for all Biafrans.
Okay, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to react on a video that Bafra government in exile are circulating. Some of them are trying to lie based on this jingle that I just played now, telling you that it's a taboo. Why must USB government fix a date on 30th of May? To them, it is not supposed to be. They are running helter-skelter, trying to talk down on that. So we are not going to waste much of your time. We may touch many things here, but please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you put your comments. Let us hear your own side of the story, because a lot is going on, and that's why I decided to record this video in this form, because normally we don't do this kind of recording where I can flip the camera and turn it back and all that. So we use this method to bring to you what you need to know and what the response from those who are from Republic of Fallback, like I prefer to call them these days. Now listen, COS DPM made a post that I would like to show you right away, and that post is simply based on what you just listened to in the jungle that I just played. Now here is the moment. Here is this post. Let's start from here. Okay, DPM said this. This is from her ex, as you can see, Ngozi Oraveze, the chief of staff. Okay, Bricky. Okay, now he says, breaking USB Washington DC embassy inspection. Yesterday, April 8th, 2025, I took time to visit and inspect the venue of our May 30th event in Washington DC. Watch video. Now, he said that the great job done by Biafrans everywhere can never be underestimated. Our Foreign Affairs Director, Honorable Ada and Park Director, Livinus, we're on hand getting things done and ready. It is getting this done and ready. It is going to be a memorable event on May 30th. Now, this 30th of May is where they begin to lose their head because of that. Now, we are going to take it one by one. Let me start from this one. Just a moment.
Right now we are at Connecticut Avenue, right? Yeah. Right now we are at Connecticut Avenue, right? Okay. See, Ada, we're right here in Washington, D.C. Yeah. We're taking care of our office here in Washington, D.C.
Here is, where is this? That's a church right here, St. Margaret's.
Right? That's St. Margaret's Church.
Generator way up there.
Okay. Good.
And then to the right is
The United States of Biafra Embassy in Washington, D.C. Loading. Loading. Seriously. Loading. As the Prime Minister said, Sam, they'll be in Biafra, they'll be asking, when is this Biafra coming? We're already in. Don't shake it. This is the right there. Live. We're gonna know there very soon. Cheers. Live and direct. The body squad.
Live and direct.
We got the Washington squad. Live and direct. I'll be right back.
Okay, this is the first one. All right, let us open this one. This is the picture, as you can see here. All right. I will tell you, one thing about this life is that good things never finish. Not at all. Now listen, let's go to another one. This is the picture, and this is you can see here. And some people are losing their head already without even seeing the proper, building and everything. You are losing your head. So when the event is start, what will you do then? What will you do when the whole thing kick on? Now this is another picture, and like as you can see here. Okay, I decided to record this way because I have many other things to talk about. Okay, now let me flip the camera back. Okay, you need to understand one thing. This thing is something that PM have already solved. PM have solved it. Biafrans have solved it. That was why some people, when they say, "What? Tell us what you are doing with the money that donated to you." You don't see this one. The one that PM solved, where is it? Ogekere hijacked it and begin to drag it. You don't want to talk about it because to you, it doesn't matter, right? If you do that that you want to do now, after doing that, where is your backup? You declare Bafra. And the place that's supposed to be the head office, somebody felt that it's his personal rent apartment or something like his own. It belonged to him because somehow they use his name to secure that place. You don't see that as a problem, do you? You don't. And when Biafran talked about it, he told you, "Oh, don't say that." All these things, do you know the propaganda that's circulating now? The picture that CS put her picture. These guys, they never stop amazing you. Honestly. You need to pay attention to everything they do. The only thing criticism that's telling you that circulating now is why must it be on 30th of May? That it should be another day. Why are they putting that? Because don't respect the date. But the jingle says 3 in 1 event. Some people, what they do is that when something happens, like when a hero or you want to respect somebody that you consider as a hero, you use this kind of event to name it the person after the person's name. That's an honor. For Biafran to fix it on 30th of May, it should be something that, because 30th of May is a very, very significant date for Igbo people or Biafrans. PM or Master did not just wake up and say 30th of May should be recognized. Something happened that made them to fix that 30th of May as the day to recognize the heroes and heroes, those that are by based on this Bafra movement and all that, or during the war. Now, they start their what's the name of what is it called? They started the argument by telling that the Biafrans criticized Ogekere for putting his picture first before another person. That now CS put her own before. These are things that doesn't really matter. Not everything people say that you need to reply. Not everything that somebody say that you need to reply. And why is Socha is another person that we are going to talk about here. She's also losing her head. She's very, very angry and feel bitter. Do you actually take her serious? I don't think you do. Somebody that said this kind of thing is someone that you don't need to take her seriously. We are going to play a few of our voice. The past, I don't have the, because I don't watch her. I mean, I won't lie. What she said before, not about this thing, but I've got the information that she's losing her head on her channel, complaining, and she missed a lot. Now she's not properly in Ogenkere camp. Did you notice something? After she appeared to Ogenkere in that fundraising, they forced her to speak English. This is the same person that was trying to talk overseas in USB. To the extent they muted her that she was very angry. Why must you publicly? And that is why when you say, I'm not trying to talk down on a woman or something like that, but please understand me. Sometimes the job you do affects your character, your behavior. The job you do will end up being a problem to your character. It may influence your behavior. Look at it this way. Somebody who is a tout, or maybe you are a liar, like in Lagos State, they call that a liar, or maybe you are a street girl, a hookup woman. Because I prefer to call her a hookup agitator. What do I mean by that? What is hookup? People who are like ladies that are doing hookup. What they're known for is every now and then they hook themselves up with a man. Are you getting my point? Hookup is a modernized way of relation. They tell you hookup. She's the hookup agitator. Today she's available. Next day she's no more there. That is to tell you the job that she do affect her behavior. Don't ask me what job. You're not a kid. The way she talk, you already know. People who can fight dirty. She don't mind to pull off her clothes and to call attention. That is what her previous job have impacted in her life and her character. When some of you, like me, I also said that she's shameless. No problem, because she lost her shame because of her previous job. I say previous because I don't know if she's still doing that. You may ask, how do I know that her previous job? You don't need to be you don't need anybody to tell you. You don't need anybody to worry you about. You should know that. Just pay attention. You can see that. You don't need to be told. Everything is out there. You can see that. But being the kind of person she is, she don't have shame. No zero, not even a drop. She don't have it, and that is what I mean by her previous job affecting her behavior. A hookup agitator are those who today, when I say hookup doesn't mean that I apply to her alone. Many of these people, many of them are hookup agitators. You understand? People who are ready to be with you today, they will sing your praises more than other people that was with you. During the negotiating time, another person will bid the price higher than you. They are there already. They are there. That's hookup agitators. You can't trust them. You can't rely on them. You can't even, believe that they are with you. Anytime the higher bidder will go with them. The high bidder is not applicable to finance. It could be promise. It could be the way you portray. Maybe give them what they want. They are there for you. Tomorrow they will apologize and come back. That's who they are. That is typical who they are. Now she said that the program inauguration of Bafra embassy in Washington D.C. she was ranting and losing her head, because imagine what she would have done if she actually understand her level. Because one of her problem is that she don't know her level, which also has to do with her previous job. Because people that have done that job, one thing that they don't do is that they think that they are very important. That's why they can hook up a senator or a governor, as long as you understand, you take them as you have done something with them. They are ready to fight with that. They can do anything. Hookup agitators. They're everywhere now. They're everywhere. But before we go further, I would like you to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and your comment is very important to us. All right. Now listen to this. I want to play one of her voice so that you yourself can relate. Listen. This man English, you have graduated in it. You have graduated in it. All this thing is when she was trying to talk, when she was talking against her management and Ogenkere. Do you understand?
Very, very bad.
Now, listen to this one.
For sake of I can do anything. Yeah, what that's not. And with the peace I brought together, and with our land, we support our angels. I want the most important for me. So, Hela, when I see Van is solid. Especially one woman to because everyone war ban a family man. What a very, very bad. Torture, family torture, all fat. It's one and I'm asking solid. And they say, I can't just sorry, can just go Muniki. Sorry, because I won't no matter you also by this, mother use so much in the Kenya and no matter how much on a phone, the way in a platform, maybe to so always one for behalf of everyone and maybe can they just go back basically on a man and a on a phone singing in the sort. On a man and a your wife saying in the sort. Man, on a Okama, whatever I know, we did can you go back with cheer pass. So I can see the question when
Did you get the point? Obido Tata fall back. This is fall back. Some of you don't know that this is exactly this is pure example of falling back. Do you see that? No, not for you get you back. You're not probably plugging her phone, wagging at the sort of but that she want to go back to where she started. Go back, that's fall back to where we started. And so she's used to that based on her previous job. She's used to fall back. And this is one of it. The same person here trying to identify her mistakes by calling somebody's names and dragging his family to her lie and propaganda. Did she learn from that? No. After apologizing, she's now using the same tactics on CS. That she is married to a Fulani man, that she gave her a baby boy out of her marriage, out of her wedlock. You understand the kind of person? People who don't know anything, very easy to say, I am sorry, but that sorry end here, not from heart. Honestly, when she said that, when she tendered apology to USB government before, I did not believe that. I did not take it serious because I know that is just part of rubbish that she do. Now I'm gonna play that part so you hear, so you can connect the dots to know that when we say that this woman is not somebody that people should be worried about or think or even waste time trying to meditate on what she's saying. You are just wasting your time. Even that people are sharing her video to me, I wouldn't have any access or anything to do with her. But for the fact that is what she's doing, of course we are going to, play that and react on that. But listen, let us play this one. So it will make more sense for you.
Good afternoon, sir. Kekina Adam Kwan. Amana Hasri Ke. Obatobi Biko Boniwe. Since yesterday night, Obiade Mumma Snamabak. Obatobi, they put in my life everything that is a struggle. Now struggle like money. Now struggle everything. No one will get the value and which is like one don't make well idea. But
look at her voice, trying to apologize. Very easy, like I told you. After telling about Toby, I am here, I'm doing this, I'm this. After saying all that, what's she doing now? She started looking for the contact of men on ground. There's nothing you can do to people like that because her previous job is now running all over her life. You can't take it away. Only she need to join prayer line, deliverance line, to be delivered by a powerful man of God. Otherwise, she's going nowhere. I'm being honest. This is not about trying to talk down on her. No, that is gospel truth. Her previous job, just like somebody who is a very hardened criminal, all right, that buying many people. You cannot just say, okay, he's not a repented person. Something must be done for the person to be properly repented. Without it, you're a joker. Listen.
I didn't make it because
Pure lie.
And a memo to see which will be about because one of which na struggle each way maybe he name our support. That is what we are for on your own. That I go for no one against the struggle of no natural. It bring in a better and my brother the mad against that person. Man, in a modest things, in our woman as a sabo. Or now from Nandi up to something. I don't understand. Why you did you wouldn't have for do not suffer?
I'll quickly figure out how genuine. When you begin to pick points from what she's saying, somebody who don't even know how we say, Master, please forgive her, and this is our sister. She mean good. Yes, even anybody, that nobody's above mistake. Master, give her a chance, man. Master, please now. You will be like that. But now, after seeing her real self, nobody, apart from those that are using her recently, it's not as if they trust her. They don't trust her either. That is why she's at door, waiting and knocking, begging and pleading to fall back. Do you get the point? I don't know.
That is a struggle. But I don't understand. Oponiri and the kind of as a sabo or up to something.
This tears is what's deceit PM. You see this because PM, somebody who don't even PM is not doing what he's doing to gain anything. That's why he can easily forgive. He forgave Chemaka Jere, Sona Parawa, Royce. Some of you may say, Royce, why? Yes, Royce will actually try to not he tried, he talked bad about PM and Bafra ran insult on him then, and he retrieved his step immediately because he understands the consequences. Then another person is, there are so many of them, even the one called Nenna, the one that called, calling him Mama Dabana and what did he, Chief Justice of Nigeria, something like that. That audio that trended 3 days ago. Okay, now all of them have tried to show their color to PM, but somehow out of kindness, PM allowed them.
To be just check good. Imagine this kind of thing. Now, fully woman put that ready before we channel television or YouTube put that not that ready. Sigi hapo mo camera menya
More.
Just happen with here, and this stroke where I am watching with them. Come on, I've made this step.
More enough. Everybody now more. I can see tomorrow. I know this man. I won't have a monk. I'm more man. I just a monk. But each time they make decision, it shows that they're not even seen anything. Anyway, let's continue.
Enough for Sabo. Yesterday when they make program, I name it. I don't know listen at with now telegram still in case he sent a message. Man, he sent a message. He just said Jele. I Jele call me after I make the program. Oh, but to be a big go. One window na stroke right away. Maybe a stroke right he supported at the end. The money makes you area. The one money to Abatopia.
About to be my money doing and offer that more. I got your pocket never sample. So now that they have proved to Obatobi and everybody beyond every reasonable doubt that what Obatobi called you is that what you are, and to think that Obatobi can see that he saw who you are, the more they do go for Fanta or Morgan that you are up to something. That the word is you are up to something. You may point us na normal money do. Give us a question of all of what cream we pump which is the mistake that he later did by believing that your tears is somehow good without knowing that it's never come back, it's never crocodile. I can't remember what is good. What to say you are. Your action and everything have proven that you are just more deadly than anybody can think of. If you're bigger than learn work on everything, honestly. Now, nobody there is no more here. That man who do you direct was say you got contact them on ground. Give you to you cannot start doing all. Nah, you cannot do everything that is forbidden. You catch a pie and you publicly. Nah, quickly. One more thing that she okay. Let me play this word first.
I want to go Abatopia just to come to help you.
No.
Just to come to help. So help you get you baby. But he said, listen for this kind of intimidation. Like go to know. We the minister they go no straight talk to me. You need easy try jail. Abatopia. Maga for that even never struggle. None but that's outside the gas ever met miss you as a lemmy. It's in a missing a gas a lemmy. It's in a missing and no one has a lemmy. Because of all this is Abatopia take good in the end. Take a good to no come on. Yaki is the way feel Abatopia. Toby and they won't didn't sleep last night. I said, come back because you had them. Thank you very much, Abatopia. Everybody, the more to more Bawala, I can never move out there with the last person Abatopia. Yeah, make it on
the most dangerous woman being in the movement of Bafra. You see this cry, deceive everybody, and I don't blame PM to be honest with you. Koya de bello da kwaga, unless man right? Unless if you have tested and you have tested her, like CS was there when she did this one, and she watched everything and know what she can do and have seen what she is doing now. It is more easier, and she know that CS is working based on all her actions so far. Like you already know that this person will be a threat because the person knows your secret and how you behave. That your tears is just for nothing. Even though she tried because I use this one as well. She tried to deceive CS. In fact, she deceived CS. Okay, she tried, and COS gave her that chance. She started saying all manner of nonsense, and eventually decided to claim apology, her apology again. She apologized again. Now that PM is not here. After that apology, ma do you use ma how do you bụkwa na ajọ mmụọ because ọ bụ ezigbo mmụọ bụkwa wee gwazie ya ga-apụtakwa mezie nke ka nke o mezie ya bidozie kwuo ezi ife ya ga-anụ na
by falling alone. Onwere much nwe na ya we ewotu na agwado one that na adande penande gele apologize for Biafra so mundi bonine to pasala mobi nji maka ha wepeda adam sale mundi bo chono fuebe ni mobi on bahala chono fuebe
oh god
ni mobi on then more when I Biafran government led by Dr. Ngozala Bese. The video made as more violent. Mother are not children, but to your own. It's like no, if a woman there. By you go one. So I cannot say because
to be honest with you, when she made this video, when she tendered the so-called apology with the tears and everything, it didn't. I won't lie. It did not move me an inch. Just that I don't want to instigate problem. I wanted to make video about it to say that this woman, the apology is not accepted. But somehow I have to pipe low because their fans are eager to see her apologize because they love her. Because of this her words. When she talk, you think that she actually she pouring her mind without knowing that she's just doing this kind of devil advocate, playing that kind of game, and you will relax, then she will strike you, badly. Okay, the apology is not going that way with me, but I'm not in position to question that, so I try to maintain my level. Right now, listen.
And the best manage I can eat here, but I can be bachi. Here's enough for the major. That's all man decide. And I'm your own. Couldn't want to go to a car. Nakatamunga one on my. So no, yeah. Thank you, on them. You want to that you
if you're watching this, you think that somebody is trying to, that she's a repentant person, she's not a new person. Nobody know that this woman was actually preparing for the worst. Mana nke bụ eziokwu na shape isi ya ọ dịkwa ka isi busu, honestly. Ọ bụkwa ọnụ ka nna gị, I'm just telling you I say it. This man will go back after Joe. If you from Menan, or say no, people believe that okay, Ada, sorry, it's okay, it's okay, Ada, it's okay, Ada, don't worry, Ada, we are with you. No, it's okay, Ada, it's okay. Kitchen again, I'm married. People, Ngozi na busy. That Fulani woman. This to tell you the real person who she is. Nke a bụ oge ụka na wait, I'm trying to locate about the movie. Thank you very much. Oh God. So you can see the kind of person, right? This is who she is. Now she said something that I want to share with you. She said that she's the content. Do you understand? That she's the content. That anybody that wants to do something now must use her. No, you are not the content. You are not. It's Biafrans that are your content. You, as the government, is your own content. What do you talk about in your channel? Apart from now, they want to buy, it's support women in danger. And in Gaza, what again? Nothing more. Nothing more. Just like the way you were talking about Ogenkere, and now you are back with them because that's based on your previous job. You are good at falling back. Ekwe gonna get an price like open other to show you also. Now what? Giving kind of cosa. The person name put on off my yesterday. Or price again. You go on the phone. Is that? But all look. Your job is to fall back. Nothing more. You fall back to your customer of yesterday. You fall back to the customer of next 3 days ago, last week. That's what you do for a living. Unfortunately, that's what you do. Anyway, now hear this one. To tell you that she don't have any shame, and she trying to act as if what people are saying about her, she don't care. You do care. That's why you said this thing that you said here. Listen.
Good afternoon, sir. Good morning. Mazo Keke Biko Ajichuku Yogi. We see the same dream all this nonsense. You get tired today, you want to say follow yourself. Anything your time is in fear can see fear. It doesn't mean anything, it doesn't change anything. It don't even move me around the problem.
And that is a lie. I'm gonna move again. You not complain the way you are complaining now because the man forwarded your own voice to you. You begin to shiver, begin to quicker. Quick. I go get in about it because they are now reminding you how your past job have affected everything about you. Because if your past job has not affected you, you wouldn't have been falling back so cheap and so quick. People like you are few, but they are more deadly. Deadly in a negative way. When people talk about you in a bad thing, you shouldn't be celebrating that. People trend for good, some trend for bad. What are you trending about? Are you trending for good or bad? You don't care because your previous job have destroyed that little, conscience that will not allow you to be put to shame. You don't care anymore. You don't even know what shame is about. People follow you to know how quick you are falling and how quick you are destroying yourself. But I'm not saying this for you to repent or to know, because no matter what, you will not know, because this is who you are. Eager money, eager where if every shame before a man that somebody have already, or somebody is trying to push him on you. You don't even know what it means. Do you get the point? So I think I need to. The video is getting too long. Let me just end it here. All right. I want to know what you think about it. Do you actually believe that what these people are doing, that they actually mean good for Biafra? No. And based on the 10th of May, PM and Biafrans, DPM and Biafrans have actually fixed that date to honor heroes and heroes and for inauguration. So it's just like a very important day for USB government. You may not like it because you already fall back. So what is going on, or what is happening in the front, you from back, you may not see it, you may not understand it. That's why you're unable to understand it. That's why you fell back. Okay. Now there's another thing I want to say here before I end this video. Somebody, Kenena TV, I want to stop calling names like Kenena TV, because I've noticed that even though, if I leave that side, I don't want to mention that, because some of you may misunderstand what I'm saying. He said something. He said something on one of his broadcasts that Biafrans cannot, that best way, that no matter how you see it, that somehow Igbo politicians need to come together to get Biafra. That's the way he put that. But I don't agree to that. That's different between me and you, like Ogenkere group. You don't know how to, condemn what somebody that you perceive to be your brother, or in line with what you believe. So when Kenena said that, I see that one as another adoku, because you cannot build a country with Igbo politicians. It's not possible. They are Biafrans. If they agree, if they don't, they have to follow the rules and regulations. Everybody must not like, USB. It does not. Even some Americans don't want America to exist. You can see people will take, because the kind of America they want is different from the America that you have today. It's the same thing in England. It is normal. So suggesting that Igbo politicians should join is a kind of adoku to me. People who are sharing that are Ogenkere group. Floor members are sharing it, like Okute TV, like Ifi. They are the ones. These are floor members. And the major hero came there. But the people who are under, people said allegedly that they are under contract with Nigerian government. I don't know. I don't have any evidence to that. But they did not share that. Okay, they did not share that. I checked Sanak Barawa. He shared every other thing that actually on the group share. He shared it, but he did not share this one. The same thing with their APM, their ATM. Shared every other thing. He did not share that. Vam shared every other thing. He did not share that. Why? Because Kenena was trending based on the way they were sharing the whole thing. Now, what the Kenena say is what I just told you, nothing more. Don't you think that those ones refuse to share because somehow what Kenena said could be in line, or is in line with what they're actually working to achieve behind? Do you understand what I mean? Because people have, said that Ogenkere is working for politicians. And Kenena saying what Kenena said somehow is in line with what they're working for. That, because I don't see any reason why they share everything. They don't condemn that Kenena said, or that their fellow members are condemning it. Because they can go if I vote to Tawa for the film, give it to them. They are so careless, nothing more. They don't research, they don't nothing whatsoever. They do propaganda for a living without adding sense to that. And that is a very, very deadly or dangerous part of it, because you should try to research what you are claiming, or trying to be knowledgeable of what you are trying to teach others. They don't do that. Anyway, my people, I don't want, because I saw even Sia shared it also. Though that's a way Sia put his own. Let me see if I can get it up here. I think he was trying to tell you that let me expand this. I think let me just share that. Let me flash the one from Sia so that you will see what Sia you're Sia trying to. I'm here calling them but anyway. Okay, now let me flip the camera. Okay, let me flip the camera. Now this is from Sia. Sia said, please do not blame TV. He is just a victim of brainwashing. These things that he is dishing out on the public. I God. Let me take it again so it will flow well for you to understand it. Please do not blame Kenyan TV. He is just a victim of brainwashing. These things that he is dishing out on public now. When I was supporting Ngozi, they were also feeding me with this nonsense that after then they will say send your account. I did not plan to talk about this guy here, but you see this thing that he said here have actually confirmed to me that this guy is not just a liar but a blackmailer. Send your account. Look at it. He said that they feed him the same narrative. That after everything, they will tell him send your account. Anybody that followed this guy can agree to me that he did not start this lies of send your account. This is what he used to buy many people's love. He said that US always tell him that if you need money, that he would have been with US. They told him to bring account. Now I know that nobody told this guy to bring account. He used that to paint himself that he's a genuine and decent. Because you know that when Bafra, if an average Igbo man, average Bafra, hear that you reject money, they will vest their trust in you automatically, believing that you have principle, that you don't eat everything anyhow. That is exactly what it was. He used that tactics before, but bro, that tactics has expired because you said that on DS, and now you have proven that that thing is a lie. You are not the only one on social media. I don't see how people are so easy to tell you send your account. It's not done anywhere. Don't lie. If somebody tell you to send your account, maybe you have asked the person for money. Do you understand me? So that this lie shouldn't fly to anywhere. It is a lie from pit of hell. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time and God bless you. Like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you again. Bye bye for now.